this is Chris. I'm going to show you how I make potato wedges in my air fryer. First thing I do, I take a apple core I bought at a dollar store to make my wedges with. And this is actually pretty interesting. Now that's a pretty good sized potato. And there's my wedges. Okay, but he left me one round wedge in the middle, but that's fine. It cooks just good as everything else. Then I take, this bag looks dirty, it's called my potato wedge bag. I just reuse it every time I make them. Now dump them in here. Then I got some French fry seasoning from the dollar store. It's real good stuff. And I put a lot of it in there. Then I shake it up good. That cooked hot potatoes good with some good tasting stuff. Then the air fryer's dirty. I cooked something else in it earlier. I just dump my wedges in the air fryer and turn it on for 10 minutes. And that's for the first half of the cooking. I cook another 10 minutes after I take them and flip them. Okay, that's how I make potato wedges. I'll see you in 10 minutes or 20 minutes and show you what they're looking like. Okay, this thing just dinged. That means they've been there 10 minutes. As you can see, they're starting to get crusty, and they're coated well with that spices I put on them, and they are hot. I should be using a fork to do this, but I am flipping them. And I'll put them back in there for another 10 minutes. And when they're done, they're done. And you'll see them again then. Okay, the fries have been cooking, potato wedges have been cooking by another 5 minutes, another 10 minutes. I'm going to show you what they look like. They're hot. Remember, I cut these up with an apple core. There's the apple core there. This here is what they look like, and they are delicious. So if you want to make potato wedges, do them the way I showed you in an air fryer. You don't have any oil on them, they're just plain and natural. Okay, I just got through eating supper, and I want to show you what those potatoes look like after I'm done. This is them, or was them. They was good.